today I really want to talk to you because you're a videographer. You work, you've been doing this professionally for a while now, and you've worked with a lot of people both in the music industry and outside. I'd like to talk to you about how to maximise working with a videographer, because I think that'd be really useful information for an indie artist. So for starters, maybe if you could tell me what kind of preparation an indie artist should do before they go to work with a professional videographer.
Yeah, I guess it would be really nice to have a basic idea of what they want. So I just need like that tiniest little bit of an idea from someone before it just sort of explodes in my brain. I'm like, all right, let's work together on this and let's really build it up and brainstorm.
So when you've actually established a relationship with someone and you're working with them on set, is there any advice you would give about on-set sort of protocol, the ways they should behave or not behave?
Be professional, but yeah, have fun, man. Like it's your day. You've probably spent a lot of money investing in it, so relax too and go with the flow. Like what I find is sometimes with a storyboard, even come shoot day, things change, conditions change, lighting changes, new ideas come into the fold. So you got to be really adaptive.
Yeah, absolutely. I think being flexible and being able to, I think some artists get an idea in their head of what they want to see, but they don't necessarily know that, what goes into that. It might be their idea might cost millions of dollars or, might be unrealistic without a big budget or something like that. So they've got to take your guidance, yeah?
It could be like a friend who's on set with you on that day might have an idea. Let's listen to it, So I myself, we have to be flexible.
Yeah, I love that. The other thing I wanted to ask you about was, just like, what is your ideal client to work with? Because I think that'd be really handy for indies to know, like this is the kind of client that a videographer wants to work with.
I've been lucky enough to work on referrals. So most of the times when I get a phone call, it's like, oh, hey man, I got your number from so-and-so and I've seen some of your work and I really like what you do. Can we get together and meet up? And I'm like, yeah, for sure. So, you meet up, and if the connection's there, that's really important for me because, you're going to work together, you're going to collaborate, you're going to get creative together, you're going to get dirty, you're going to get drunk together, you're going to spend all that time to really create something special together. So it's a friendship. It becomes a friendship, a relationship that, I would like to make, for the throughout the community, when you work with someone. And it doesn't mean that you have to work with me every single time, because it's important for you as an artist to work with other artists to, have different creative collaborations and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. So would you say that, having some kind of connection is sort of key to a good collaboration? Definitely.
For me, it's like, let's meet up, let's really nut out what you want and then go from there. Yeah.
I think that makes perfect sense. That's great info. Thank you so much, Tuani. So lastly, I'm just going to throw a fun question at you. If you could create a famous musician version of yourself and you could use any famous person's vocal ability, who would you choose?
I'd have to say Jeff Buckley, because, I just got goosebumps, but if I could sing like that to family and friends and share that voice with people, oh man, that would be so nice.
It would be amazing, wouldn't it?
Yeah, so beautiful.
Gone too soon, hey?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Tuan. I really appreciate you sharing that gold information with me today.
You're welcome.
Thank you for everything, all your hard work here on the series, and love your work, my friend.
Pleasure.